guys, good afternoon. It's Sunday afternoon. I and my baby boy Ife, we're going to the boys hair salon to cut Ife's hair, because Ife's hair has stayed up to 3 weeks. Normally I cut it to 2 weeks, but because OLA'S dedication is coming up soon, so I was like, let me cut it to this week so that it will stay like 2 weeks before I cut it again for the dedication. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So my boy is going to look from this look to like fabulous.
When I'm older, I'll go to buy my hair.
Of course, you drive yourself to the salon and you do it yourself. Yeah, I can't wait.
Me too.
Anywho, this my hair is not like embarrassing now at this point because it's just looking rough. That's why I even tied it like all these sister evangel, all those kind of things.
It looks a little pretty.
It looks a little pretty. Oh, this is my boy. Ife is just the sweetest boy. Like no cap. Ife is the sweetest boy. When I come back from doing Ife's hair, cutting Ife's hair, I have to even wash Jina's hair and make it. So it's going to be a long day today. How are you guys doing? Did you go to church? Did you what's your Sunday like? What has your weekend been like? My weekend has been fun. I actually went to the gym. My body is paining me. The pains in my bones.
Mom, can make you strong.
I know, but it hurts. If my legs, my tummy, it just hurts.
But I can do gym. It never hurts me.
You're still a baby, you're still a kid. That's why when you get older it hurts you so much. Later. Money.
Hey, you have so much money. You don't keep. Where you keep them? Where you keep them?
In the bank.
In the bank. I want to have a bank.
You want to have a bank account?
That's like I'm put my money in there.
Okay.
I want to do chores.
You want to do chores for me?
They can be very happy. And you tell me to dress my hair. I'll dress you by myself.
You look so handsome.
That looks like this.
Yeah, it's stiff. It's stiff.
No, but if I look there, we'll just slide down. That's what I used to do.
Eventually.
So guys, I just finished making Jina's hair. Not like now, sha. My body is paining me. I don't know who sent me to go and do exercise. My body is paining me. I can't even stand up from bed. But we got an email that you're supposed to wear the traditional attire to school tomorrow.
What? That means I have to wear Igbo clothes.
Yeah. This is the hair I made for Jina. Jina, come backward. Let them see it. Yeah. That's the hair I made for her.
Yeah.
And she loves it.
And look, this thing can even change.
If they have they seen you, I don't think they've seen you.
And this thing can even change.
Come back. Let them see. Let me bring this thing down, baby.
Yeah,
let them see both of you. So this is Ife now, and this is Jina now.
Okay, and this thing can also change into cool and love.
Both on me. Go and get her big for me.
Update.
Oh, hola.
Like this.
Bring another one. Because I have to clean my body.
Another one.
Give me something else to clean my body.
Like 2 beeps.
So
I got you.
Ola just messed up my hope. I don't know why I didn't use planning. See why it's good to use planning.
Or else you burp on you.
Yeah.
Quack, quack, quack.
A dirty clothes bag. So let me go and arrange what they will wear.
Mom, can I hold Ola?
Where is your flannel?
I'll get one.
I feel like Ola has poo.
Did you check?
It feels like poo-poo. It smells like poo-poo, but not poo-poo. I don't know if it's my brain that is telling me that it's poo-poo. Hold that way.
Where?
Let's go. Oh, God, guys. So this is what Gina's own look like.
And Mom.
And this is very Igbo-ish. I know that our mothers, like my mom, they had wrappers that were this, you know, that was this design. So this is what Ife is going to wear, right?
Well, what if you can fit me first?
Ife, I'm tired, but I think it will fit you.
What if you have worn
Even just keeping it on you, it fits. So it's gonna fit. Don't worry.
Good.
Good.
Because if it's not the other one, that's the other three. Out to my head.
Mary had, okay.
Mary had a
Little lamb.
okay. Mary had a
Little lamb.
little lamb.
I'll say little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb. Its feet was white as snow.
Okay.
1, 2, go.
Mary had a
Little lamb, little lamb.
Mary had a little lamb.
Its feet was white as snow.
Okay, its feet was white as
snow. I said its feet was white as snow.
Okay.
I posted on my last vlog that I was going through a phase where I'm not producing breast milk. And thanks to everybody that has responded so far, you know, people have recommended things, I've done my research, I've realized that there were so many things that actually influenced me not producing enough breast milk. It's not as if it's not coming out at all, but unlike, you know, the way it's come out. First of all, my period came out, so I think that was what was happening. The moment my period was going to come out, it started having clashes with my hormones and all that, so it came out. Then number 2, guys, I stopped really taking water, because when I think about it now, I wasn't taking, I used to take water a lot. I stopped really putting my mind. Number 3, the pap thing. I don't know if it works, but it works for me. I stopped taking pap. Number 4, I went out more. Unlike before, I used to spend a lot of time with my daughter, so I always breastfed her. But I was always going out, you know, going to the market, going to sort this, so going to this place, going, you know, just going out more than before. And I stopped breast pumping. I'm going to start this night to start pumping. I realized that, which I always advise people. I don't know how some, I know how when you become you are used to advise people, but you'll not be doing what you used to advise. Before, I used to pump every night, pump my 2 boobs like every night, and sometimes in the morning. These days I don't even pump at all. I even just put away the pumping stuff, and you know, so yeah, I have to just work on all those things. And if you're struggling like me, I think you should do all these things I just mentioned.
I remember.
Ola has the best sister and brother. They always make her happy, always singing for her, wanting to stay with her.
The next day.
Oh, I forgot.
1, 2, go. I'm Romeo.
And I'm a genius. I'm always like a king.
Hey, you be dancing. You got it.
Okay.
When you say, and I'm a genius, you'll be dancing. Okay. And I'm a genius.
Okay.
And I'm a genius.
Okay.
And you'll be dancing. Okay.
Okay.
1, 2, go. I'm Romeo.
I am a genius. I'm always like a king.
You guys, it's okay. We have to go and take care of Ola.
Check that video first. Okay.
1, 1, 2.
Let's type first.
Okay, then you run out.
No,
Okay.
run out. Come on, Faith.
1, 1, 2, go.
Get silly. It gets silly. I got a monkey. I put a stick. And I did it. I got the kick. And I get silly. Get silly. I'm back in the way. I'm never get silly. Silly. Bang! We're supposed to do belly bump at the end.
Oh, you told me I was supposed to do belly bump.
I did what? Let's do it again. So do it to the end again.
Okay, do the end again. Be careful.
The next day.
just finished from the church. Everything has been fixed.
Mom, was I really swimming in the
You were, and you wanted to swim more than everybody. You were just doing like you were diving, and you want to drown, and you come up and we say, okay, Jina, it's okay. You still say, no, you want to drown. Until Anna said, nope.
No, was I swimming well? I was just swimming.
You are trying, Jina. You're really trying. You're really brave, and you're really good at things.
Mom, if I was swimming, I wouldn't have been swimming. Mom.
Remember, okay, tomorrow. I'm going to the swimming pool tomorrow.
Tomorrow? Why?
You don't want us to go tomorrow again.
What's the Friday?
What about for today?
Yeah.
I don't have a car to take you. My car is, my car, the battery is there.
Taxi!
No, we can't.
We take the car. But it's a hot day.
No,
So taxi.
No, don't worry. Tomorrow we'll still take taxi. We'll go and swim.
Will it be a hot day tomorrow?
Of course.
Mom, can you check? Mom, you know that thing that does like this and it has a big thing here?
What's that? I don't know what it is.
It's yellow, that thing that's like this.
Where?
It has
In my phone or?
Mom, maybe you have to check in your phone. Which bag were you going with? To see if your tummy. This one. I'll show you what I'm talking about. To see, Mom, to see your tummy is here. If another baby is not inside.
If there's no other baby in my tummy, I don't know why Ife wants another baby, guys.
And
This children are not even pitying for me. They want me to just be having plenty children. Guys, so I'm making rice for the kids. They've been begging me that they want to eat rice. It was almost as if I'm not a wicked mom because I told them no, they're not going to eat rice, they will eat soup or something. I don't like stress. So yeah, I'm making jollof rice for them. Something that we can finish now. I don't want it to remain. I'm going to be adding inside because in case it did not fry well, I just love the taste of fish inside jollof rice anyways.
What are you doing? Bubble napkin. That big, right? I see a planter on the ground. Johnny. God, amen. No, that's yours. Some lemonade? No? Oh, don't worry, Maribel. I am almost 100% positive that chiffon is just as exciting.
The next day.
You want to put it in your mouth? Nope. Fam. So I've been taking a lot of sachet water because I feel like it's a better guide for me towards knowing how much water I'm taking. So this is my second water for today, which is really poor. I'm supposed to have taken up to 5 by this time. What's the time? This is after 3. You see why my milk is not coming out? I'm supposed to have taken more than, and I brought this water to my room since morning. But then again, water has become like work. Let me know in the comment section if I'm the only one. If I have to be forced, like if I have to take water intentionally, it becomes a job. I can remember when I was pregnant, this test you do, you have to take water. Guys, like it was as if they've killed me. I was drinking the water like someone that is suffering. I just wanted to rant small, guys. Everybody knows that my hobby is a civil engineer. He builds houses, you know, beautiful houses. If you're interested, reach out to us. He has a team, you know. But guys, hobby traveled, which you guys already know too. If you're watching my videos, you know hobby traveled. Hobby is not missing me, guys. He's not missing me. Let me explain. Don't judge me. Thanks. Are they? Is there for scarcity? Huh? My friend just called me now. There is fuel scarcity. Hobby traveled for work, and Hobby is supposed to be back today. Highest tomorrow Sunday because today is Saturday. Fam, this man calls me to tell me, you know, he has even been trying to avoid. I've been asking him, when are you coming back, when are you coming back, you know, just to, you know, prepare in all ways, in all round, you know, all round ways. This man has been jonesing me for me. I don't really know. I've been busy. Oh, don't worry. You know, just for me, one kind busy cruise. We'll be talking. He will be talking with me. We'll talk for 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours sometimes. He will be talking with me. The moment I just mention when are you coming back, he will just use style and just do like this. Then I asked him yesterday, and I was like, when are you coming back? You're just, you know, you're not telling me anything. Let me know. And OLA'S education is closed, you know. And he's like, he's coming back next week. What? Like water? Guys, it's busting my head. I'm not lying. I know people will say, hey, you're for me loving. I actually do miss my hubby when he travels. Like, I legit cry when he's traveling. I know. But I miss him so much, guys. I miss him so much, and I just feel like he's not missing me. Even though he's telling me he's missing me, he has to stay and finish the work so he doesn't come back and travel again. I know, and I'm trying to understand, guys, but understand with me too. People should understand with me. Who is wrong? Am I wrong? The giveaway winner has been announced. Her money has been sent to her, Ashley Ipa, I think. Ashley_Ipa. She won the giveaway. And I'm really disappointed at you guys that you guys did not really partake in the giveaway on Instagram. Please go follow me on Instagram. I'm really disappointed. I don't know if you guys tell me every time you love me, you appreciate me, you do this, you do that. Giveaway, I'm even the one giving you. And I didn't see the response. I didn't get a lot of response. I don't know if you guys didn't know, or maybe my followers are too big for it. Anyways, you guys are really killing my morale. Let me tell you guys, you're really killing my morale, because I feel like, what am I now influencing for? That means if a brand gives me something to sell to you guys will not buy. That's how I feel. It just really made me feel sad, but God they sham. But I still love you guys anyways, you know, for watching this one. At least if you can, oh please, if you can, share, subscribe, click on the bell button to get you notified, so whenever I post a new video, you'll be the first to get it. And don't forget to comment. Your comment is very important. The more you comment, the more you give me a big thumbs up, the more YouTube knows that people are really interested in my channel. And when you comment and when you participate in things that I do, brands would want to work with me, guys. When brands see that this person, people don't really respond to her, they don't want to work with me. So please, I'm begging you, if there's something that I'm doing wrong, let me know, so I can change, so that you guys can be part of me, because I really want you guys to be part of my journey. I really want to work with brands. You know, that is what will make me make money. That is what will make my brand get better. I don't want to be stuck in one place because I'm not making money, you know, from what I'm doing. This is my job. This is what I'm doing. All right, with my pure water. I love you guys so much for watching. Until my next vlog, toodaloo.